Hi and welcome back to Spot On Works. In this video I'm gonna show you how to replace wiper blades in 2015 Chrysler Town & Country. This is gonna be the same procedure for a lot of vehicles, make and models. This is also gonna apply to Dodge Grand Caravans as well. These vans have hook style type of wiper arms. Now I'm gonna be removing the old wiper blade, so I'm gonna lift this up. And now I'm gonna slide this wiper blade down. Just wanna be careful, you don't wanna this wiper arm to hit your windshield, so ideally you wanna lift it up. Alright, so this is what I'm talking about. This is hook style type of wiper arm. Right here I have brand new wiper blade, so basically I will have to hook this wiper arm inside this wiper blade, make sure it's locked, so it's right inside now. Now when I have it inside, I'm just gonna pull it up to lock it in, just like that. Now this is not moving and not going anywhere. And now I'm just gonna close it up with this plastic. And that's it. And it is gonna be the same on the driver's side. So I'm gonna remove this. Like I said, slide this down. I'm gonna fit the hook inside the new one, just like that. And when it's fitted inside, you wanna pull it up to lock it. When it's locked in place, you just wanna close this plastic piece, and that's it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you, bye.